Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Join me today in making soft fluffy buns with just a few simple ingredients. These are perfect for breakfast, making burgers, or as a snack. For the ingredients, we're going to be using 6 cups of flour, three teaspoons of yeast, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. In a separate bowl, mix 3 cups of warm water, eight tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour your water and sugar mixture into your flour and mix until a sticky dough is formed. Add 3 tablespoons of softened butter or margarine and continue mixing. At this point, your dough will still be sticky. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Transfer your dough to a floured surface and knead. Gradually add about half a cup of flour and continue kneading until your dough is smooth. Cover your dough and let it rest for 1 hour. Cut and divide your dough into equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth ball. You can do this by pinching the bottoms and smoothing out the tops with your hands, just like I'm showing you in the video. Place the shaped buns onto an oiled baking tray. Cover them and let them rest for another 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. Once they're out of the oven, brush them with some butter or margarine and let them cool slightly. Enjoy these buns warm with some butter and jam, or you can use them to make burgers or sandwiches. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.